Hi, ito si Direk Boboy, taga-hatid sa inyo ng Kwentong Pinoy. Please like, share, and subscribe. And comment na rin kayo. Mahalaga yun sa akin. Nung isang linggo, naimbita ako sa isang Pecha Kucha. Ang Pecha Kucha ay isang style ng kwentuhan na gamit mo ay 20 slides o 20 cards. Sa bawat card, kailangang masabi mo ang gusto mong sabihin in 20 seconds. In all, hindi ka pwede lumampas ng 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Pressure, di ba? Kailangan concise, buo, bawal mautal, bawal mang-isip na matagal o lumiko. At dapat, may naintindihan, may natutunan, o may na-appreciate ang mga nanonood. Dapat ay may take-away sila sa Pecha Kucha mo. Ang Pecha Kucha ay Japanese na ang ibig sabihin ay chit-chat. Ginanap ang kwentuhan o presentation sa isang gwapong bar sa poblasyon Makati. Walo kaming isinalang. Nandoon ako para magkwento. Pero, wow! Na-blown away ako sa kwento nung iba. Ang topic po ay about sarili at ano ang gawain sa buhay.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Simula na ba yun? Babati pala ako ng magandang gabi, di ba?
May nagkwento about her growth as a performance artist. Ang isa naman ay tungkol sa maagang pagkahilig sa pagtutula at pag-awit.
Pumunta ako sa Quiapo, sinamahan ako ng tatay ko ng unang pagkakataon, pero paglaon, ako na nagtitipid ng baon para makabili ng long play album.
Ang isa, on coffee. It was a fascinating sip of a story. Aliw ako doon.
I want to emphasize that the nose is the secret in appreciating coffee. In every cup, no matter how simple, kahit na simple instant coffee yan, may lasa pa rin yan. All you have to do is exhale.
Ang isa was a mentalist na kayang basahin ang iniisip mo. Nag-demo pa nga.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Parang ganda ng intonation mo, Marty. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not looking at you, Marty, but are you thinking of the number 4?
Yes.
Yes, thank you very much!
Ang isa was on her knitting o paggaganchilyo bilang environmental or installation art.
This is my soul's life with a message to follow nature's way. This is a 20 by 20 by 20 feet installation. This was at CCP and it traveled all over.
Ang isa naman, on his dream to make a Filipino sci-fi film.
So far, and I'm going to be representing the Philippines as part of the IT sci-fi in after 27 years. We are a host there.
Ang isa pa ay isang babae at ang kanyang struggles as an artist.
But it was always so replaceable. How it's because of bayanihan, a whole community lifting each other up together. So this quality is uniquely Filipino.
Ako ang huling nag-present dahil siguro ako ang pinakagurang at may presumption na marami na akong pinagdaanan. I have slightly edited this para sa nature ng YouTube. 20 slides at 20 seconds per slide pa rin. Warning po, kailangan ng parental guidance sa presentation kong ito. Here it is. I didn't know what Pecha Kucha was. Ang alam ko lang, Nampucha. Nampucha. How do I cram in my almost 80 years on earth in 6 minutes? Siguro, try to make it stick looked like a last song syndrome, o LSS. I dare say I was lovable, but I had 13 sisters and brothers. Agawan sa ulam, so I had to be cute. Then I had to be sexy. If the beauty, not the number of women in my life is any indication. Ngayon, I'm ambling to being senile. I got my first award as an artist at age 4, setting expectations early, lalo na with my dad. He was a great, super talented painter, now nominated to the Order of National Artist. As a young man, I looked and moved like Mick Jagger. But what I wanted was to be like Walt Disney, na ang mantra is to create the happiest place on earth. Gusto ko to be like him, happy, making people happy. My first earnings were as a cartoonist, dikit as an animator. But I was nowhere being like Disney. What with a daily take of 20 pesos as a cartoonist, nothing has changed much since 60 years ago. Mas malaki pa ang kita ng labandera at magtataho. Maaga pa, inisip ko, change cars agad, hindi lang change gears. Whatever that needed to be written, drawn, shot, or painted, pinasok ko. Hindi man ako kumita in one aspect of work, then perhaps in another. Pokpok lang ng pokpok. Sabi nga ng iba, pokpok ng pokpok. I look at my career path as a cone. My fields of interest in the vertical lines na nakalarawan, converging at the tip, and me climbing in a spiral, touching on its field, refining, going up, going around, refining, until all these fields meld together. The result so far? These books are compilations of my work as an essayist and newspaper columnist, and as a wannabe poet. Huwag po kayong mapapabudol sa mga titles. Walang sex dyan. Pang-marketing lang yan. Ito naman ang mga nailabas ko na as a publisher of coffee table books. Hindi pa kasama ang comics at graphic novels na nailimbag ko, tulad ng Darna 60th Anniversary Comics na nagwagi ng National Book Awards Best Graphic Novel. Ito naman as a painter and exhibitor. Sa kanan ay isa sa aking Folded Realities series. Sa kaliwa naman is an assemblage depicting the plight of women. Women are always a fascinating topic to me. Which probably explains the photography books naman that I have in my belt. These contain photos that I took of 40 or so women friends, yes, in various stages of undress. Sa dami ng pinasok ko, I needed to understand business. Pumasok ako sa AIM. Ako lang yata ang artist noon with businessmen, engineers, accountants, and systems analysts. Today, I can confidently say I am nearing the tip of the cone. These days, I am deep into script writing and directing feature films. I am in a dream. Every element on the cone na pinakita ko is in this work. The various fields of interest have beautifully come together. Ito naman, my biggest production so far. 55 years together, 5 kids, 11 grandkids. Lahat po sila maingay. Mahilig sa mainit na diskusyon. I wasn't able to build a happy place like Disney, but I am in one. This is the house I gave to ourselves. Definitely not a castle, but we light a lot of fireworks dito. I have my share of failures and rejections, of course, of broken dreams, of heartaches, of cancelled ambition, of one or two huge regrets in life. Nitong manakaraang buwan, sa kaluluha ng todo, I found out that my tear ducts have not dried up, unlike my gonads. But I have to be calm and collected and headstrong and daring and adventurous and horny. Kailangang tumayo. To me, life is a wanton, fickle, moody woman you have to go to bed with every night and still be cheerful the morning after. Meantime, my buddies and loved ones have been leaving for the coast one by one. Para hindi mangulila at maiwan, I am making new, much younger friends. I am trying other avenues pa nga, kanya nandito ako sa YouTube. I am probably one of the oldest active vloggers in the country. I had to learn to talk more. But I have a bigger capacity to listen. I am all ears. Nakikinig po ako. You can drop by our house anytime. The wine is on me.
Even yung mga Japanese galing duro talent natin.
Hindi mo nga, Marts. Ikaw yung gagawin.
Yun, hindi ko alam kung applicable yung pecha kucha sa mga politiko o kaya sa mga pare na gustong magsermon ng matagal. Pero this has been picked up by businesses and schools at madalas na ginagamit na ngayon to sa mga conferences. Mas effective daw. So what do you think? Gawa kayo ng sarili nyong pecha kucha and then subukan nyo with your family and friends. Tignan nyo kung anong effect. This is Direk Boboy saying until next vlog. See you!